Hey everyone, just a brief upload to clarify a problem with my latest upload. The short that I did, and it's actually me on the motorcycle that's in lane 2 at the roundabout. A lot of people are commenting that the exit was actually a left turn, so I'll just clarify that. Okay, notorious double lane here where cars often cut it up at the roundabout. There you go, look. And again, straight across in front of me. It's just a case of anticipating, that's all. It's never really a major problem. Firstly, the fact that the Highways Commission or the Highways Agency decided to mark it as a straight ahead on the arrow shows that once you actually get to the roundabout, the actual exit is straight ahead. So we're coming to the sign, which I'll post a photo of on here, and the sign does look initially from where I'm coming from that the exit is to the left, but look at these road markings, there is no left. Despite the roads being terrible, the arrows are 2 straight aheads and 1 right. Now we'll look at the lane that I'm in. I'm staying in this lane, and this exit is actually straight ahead, look, it's not a left turn. There is also a second lane exiting which goes with the second straight ahead arrow. So that shows that this is actually the first exit. Now people that are commenting that I shouldn't have been in lane 2, this road used to be a 60, and what I was doing was getting into the lane ready for an overtake. But you do notice at no point did I overtake the vehicle until I was going to exit, and as it turns out it was a good choice because the vehicle turned right. But that's exactly the point of that upload. The car didn't fully understand the layout of the roundabout, which is what I was allowing for. So lane 1 was marked straight ahead, not left, correct. Lane 2 was marked straight ahead and right, so it's the same first exit and a right turn. So I was actually quite correct being in lane 2 ready for an overtake and hanging back. But again, this backs up the point, the whole point, that you should never sit next to vehicles anyway, especially on roundabouts, because it's highly likely that they don't understand the road markings and want to take a different exit. So if this gets you thinking, then the upload was actually worthwhile because it may save somebody. A couple of months ago I actually saw a motorcyclist injured laying next to his bike in exactly the same situation, but that biker had actually gone to overtake the car that had then done exactly the same as the Mini. And in case anybody thinks I'm doing wrong here in these hatchings, the outside markings of the hatchings are broken, so I'm allowed to enter. That's going to stop me having to write a long explanation at the beginning of this upload as well. Please understand and believe me, when I do an upload, things are checked and are correct. And 39 years of instructing, whether you agree with me or not, you have to just trust the fact that I would not do an upload if it was incorrect. So I hope this has clarified things a little bit for you. And feel free to comment, and if you still think I'm wrong, shut up. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.